Hi, and welcome to the second video of building a full-stack application using Next.js and Strapi in one day using our beautiful template. I have the template cloned and I have a repo here, so go ahead and clone it, like so. First, let's open the repo in our code editor. And we will need to set up the environmental variables, okay? So we will go to the apps and we will go to the Strapi. We will copy this file and rename it to just env. And also we will need to go to the UI folder and also find the env local example. We will copy it and we will rename it like so. Perfect. After that, we can go to the terminal right here. We can set up our node version with nvm use. After that, we can run yarn, so we install all the dependencies that we need for the project. Amazing, this is finished, so you will need to have installed Docker on your machine. After that, we can run the project with yarn dev. Perfect. So if you run it the first time, you will need to fill out this form like so, and then we can click let's start. Okay, perfect. So we have our basic Strapi admin. As we can see here in the content manager, we have the pages, the user, configuration, footer, navbar. So this is all standard. If we go to the 3000 and we refresh this page, then we can see we have an error because we still need to configure a few things. So we will go to the configuration and we will just enter an author here. We will save this. And after that, we will need to go to settings and we will need to find the users and permissions plugin. We will click on roles, public, and we will come to the configuration right here and we will enable find. Okay, so now we save it. And if we go back and refresh, we see everything is working as intended. Let's jump back to the design we generated in the first video. If we click on this tab right here, as we can see, we have all the code we need for the site to run. So we can just copy all this code and go to our apps UI, source, app router, locale, and you can find the page right here. So we will replace the whole page with our generated design. As we can see, we don't have these components here. So what you can do is either download the zip of the file right here, or you can just manually copy all these components that we require for the project. Then you can come here into the components folder and you can just drop all the components there that we need. As we can see, there is no errors anymore. And if we go to the page and we refresh, then we see this a little bit less beautiful website right here, but this is because we have a default layout set up. So let's get back into the code. Let's find the layout, the main layout, and for now let's just take these children and put them on top level. We will comment out all the rest that we don't need right now, and if we go back we can see all the padding is gone and the design is beautifully applied right here. In the next video, we will see how we can take the data from the Strapi and apply it into our front end right here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.